Hello, my good people. My good name is Diva Mora Official, coming live from Gulf. Guys, it has been long without doing a video for cooking, but today, stay tuned. I'm going to do veg. So stay tuned. Don't skip the channel. Watch until the end. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I'm not taking it for granted. I really appreciate for your support. If you're turning subscriber, peace. So guys, let us see what I'm doing, because I have 4 steps. So step 1 is this one I have started with. So stay to the channel and see like what did Diva Mora did. Okay, let us go. Let us do this. So my good people, this is potato. Remember the rule. Rule number 100. You must wash before you cut. That is the rule. So I'm cutting like this. Oh my God. You see? This is potato. For those who don't know what is potato, I have not removed the cover because you can see my potato is very green. Yeah, so that is how we do here in Gulf country, even in Africa, in Kenya, that is how we do it, according to the thing you want to do. So let me show you how I'm going to arrange it. So this is my potato. I'm going to arrange it right this way. Okay. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. We are going to the next step. So the next step, this one. Hope you are seeing it. Let me wash. I'm going to cut like this one. The size I'm cutting is big. Hope you guys, my good people, are seeing me. Let us make vegetable. You know, if you want to stay healthy and live long life in this world, eat a lot of vegetable. Yeah. Don't eat meat too much. At some times or at some point, just change the diet. Another one. This is how I do it. Welcome to my kitchen. Ta-da! This one done. Let me show you how I'm going to arrange it, because we need the picture. Yes, so there we go. We are continuing with our step. Remember, we have 4 steps, so don't skip. I have this one, let me cut, and this one. So let me cut it. Guys, for those who don't know, this is eggplant. I don't know how do you call it in your language. In our language, we call it biringanya. But in English, is eggplant. You see? Yeah. So there we go. We cut big. Like big like this. Like this. Like this. Guys, let me put here. Hope you have seen where I have put. Now we have this broccoli. I don't know if it's broccoli or what. Let me know in comment section what is the name of this. Let me wash it. There we go. This one, it doesn't have any big work. We only remove like this. Yeah, and that is it. Let me know how do you call this in your language. Let me know how do you call it in your language. I think it is broccoli, white broccoli, but no. I'm going to do my research. What is the name of this veg? Veg. Okay. This is how we do it. And see. So I'm going to put on the top of this one. Let me show you how it looks. Let me show you how it looks. You like it? Yes. And remember, I have 4 stages, and I'm going to cook it in the oven. So don't wonder like, why is Diva using the steel? I'm going to cook in the oven. So let us go to the next step. This is the onions. Let us wash it. Let us cut the onions. Onions. And that is how we do it. Ta-da! Here's my onion. No, tomato. Very sorry. This is my tomato, not onion. So now I want to cut the onion, but I'm going to add another one. For the onion, don't cut small. Let me bring another one. Here is the onions. Let us remove the cover. Okay, cover. This one I'm going to cut it ×4. Like this. And take another one. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Let us see how we are going to put the onions. Here's the onions. Let us put the onions. You guys, hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So the next step, I have this. In our language, we call it hoho. Let me know in your language, how do you call it? And I have this green pepper. So stay tuned. Let me wash it. Remember my rule number 100. You must wash it before you cut, before you cook. We need to eat clean and healthy food. Yeah. Doesn't normally sing who is seeing you, no, just do you, be you. Yeah. So I'm going to wash this one. This is the green. And I'm going to put on the top of it. Let me show you. So that is step 1. So let us go for step 2. Step 1 is like this way. I've seen. Yeah, so let us go for step 2. So my guys, we're on the second stage. This is the tomato paste. I'm going to put it here. Yeah, not a lot. Put according to your desire. This is the red pepper, but it seems it is ending, but no wahala. I'm going to put it like this. Okay. This is black pepper. Don't put a lot, just put a little bit. Okay. This is, we call it turmeric. In our language is kurukum. In Kenya language, I don't know in your language. Hope you guys, you are seeing what I'm doing. I have here some spicy. Let us open this one. Ta-da! Like this. And then we have salt. You know, in rule number 92, food without food is not food, is poison, huh? I think that one is enough. So I'm going to mix with water. A little bit of water. itachukua hata 15 minutes. Okay. So salt, I'm adding olive oil. Não, fiz salt, much. So guys, let us see what to do here. So I'm going to put it here like this way. Hope you are seeing, my good people. Yeah. Ta-da! Is your chef Diva Mora here, official in the kitchen. Guys, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you are turning subscriber, thank you for watching my video. Today we are making vegetable. In the short name we call it veg. Yeah, we are going to bake it in the oven. So don't wonder like, what is this young lady doing? And that is it. Remember, this is step 2. We have 4 stages, so keep tuned, watch until the end. So guys, I'm going to, after putting like that, I'm going now to add the oil. Last but not least, I'm going to add oil. You can use olive oil, you can use the oil of your taste. Hope you are seeing enough. I don't like a lot of oil. So my good people, you have seen. So that is step 2 done. Let us move to the stage 3. Guys, see outside how the climate is rocking. It seems like it want to it will rain, but I don't know. But wow, see the crowd. It looks so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. So beautiful. So let us move to the stage 3. So here is stage 3, where we lighten our oven and we do like this. You have seen it? No, I think I should start with down. Let me start with down. Hope you guys, you are seeing down the fire. Yeah, you can see here. You can see here. Yeah, so after there, I'm going to lighten it up. Okay, so I'm going to take my veg from this point to this point. Guys, hope you are seeing the fire. Let me see if you will see. Yeah, that is the fire. Down, down, down there. You are seeing, and up here, there's also fire. So that is how it's going to cook. So let us wait and see the result. Remember, we have 4 stages, so this is stage 3. So let us wait for the last stage and see what we have. Don't skip the channel, guys. Keep watching. If you are new here, if you are turning subscriber, I'm not taking it for granted. Let me try to look for. It looks like wow. You see how it cooks? You see? Yeah, that is how we do here. It's okay, guys. So let us wait. Now I get it. So guys, you can see how it's cooking. Yeah, so we are still waiting for it. You see? Yeah, that is how it's cooking. So let us wait.